Welcome back to Blind Man Morris, and today we're talking about the common or garden humble split pin. Now normally you'll see these pushed through clevis pins or on the end of tie rods or anywhere like that, but it also has a very unusual use on a Morris Minor and some other British classics from the 1930s, 40s and 50s. It's called a jiggle pin. And Emma's going to go under the car and show you where your jiggle pin is and tell you all about it.
So here we are under the car, and this is the gearbox here that I'm looking at. Got my finger on it there. And then you've got the bell housing for the gearbox where the clutch is held. And you get this amazing thing here. So when people see these, they think, is something supposed to be attached to that? No, it's called a jiggle pin. And what it is, it's a hole that goes into the bell housing. And if you were to have a leak from the engine or from the gearbox, it's possible that your clutch could get contaminated with oil, and that would cause clutch slip and could be an issue for you. And the purpose of this amazing thing here is to let that oil come out. Now you might think to yourself, well, why not just have a hole? Well, if you just had a hole, the grime and the dirt from the road could come up and block the hole. You could have underseal that goes onto that hole. You could have old oil or grease that blocks the hole, and then the oil that's stuck inside the bell housing wouldn't be able to escape. So the jiggle pin is there because with the movement of the car, it stops that hole from blocking up. It jiggles. Simple as that. The most amazing piece of simple engineering. It jiggles around and stops that hole from blocking up, and therefore means that oil can come out. If you see oil coming out of that, don't blame the jiggle pin, blame the fact that oil has got inside the bell housing. Now this should move, and you can see this on here, this is moving, and it should be able to move. So if you're under here, have a little jiggle and make sure that it will actually jiggle. If it won't, then just clean round it. You can get a bit of brake cleaner and clean round it and make sure that it's able to move, so that if the oil is ever in there, it can escape and come out, because that's what it's for, is to make sure that the oil can escape. Don't poke anything right up inside, but just clean the bit around it. And if you haven't got one of these, if you get the opportunity, replace it, because it will mean that the oil can escape and the hole won't block. So there you go, John, eh?
Jiggle pin.
The humble jiggle pin, the most amazing thing, and something that people ask about a lot. And there it is.
So there you go, the humble jiggle pin, a low-tech solution to keeping your hole open on your gearbox bell housing. What a brilliant, simple idea. It's a shame we don't use brilliant, simple ideas in modern times. So there we go.